To deliver the green flag transformation, we've put the customer at the heart of everything. And when we understand, how to acquire customers, how to look after customers as they are with us, and then what happens when they break down, it's clear that we need to be brilliant in real time at being able to sort them out. Now, to be able to do that, you've got to use data quickly, ideally automated, and you drive capability with the right decision at the right time for the next best action. So Segment have played a key role for us in helping us to take this data-rich but insight-poor business and start to put some organisation, some core operating principles of what our data should be in the future, and get the right architecture that then allows us to be future-proof.
When you look at our products, when you look at how our teams are built or how we work with customers, the end consumer is at the center of everything. And that's how pretty much all of the products are built within Segment, is to address that sort of an engagement with the customer.
Segment have been crucial in our approach and our journey for a number of different reasons. I was very keen on making sure that we had a technology stack that was loosely coupled so that we would have the flexibility to interchange specific components, any ingredient, if you will, of our overall ecosystem. And Segment ticked that box absolutely, because it has allowed us to decouple a lot of the web analytics and customer-facing data points that you would normally see in a traditional implementation. The other benefit, I guess, from Segment for us is the consolidation of data. I'm starting to now see a single view of the experience on the website, which has removed a lot of effort historically where we would have to be stitching data together to understand how all of those different tools are playing.
Green Flag have decided that it's going to be a competitive advantage for them to actually start to investigate, understand their data maturity as a company, and then actually to improve that so that they can improve the service for their customers ahead of being forced to do that. And it's a hugely ambitious project.
The business value that we get from Segment probably breaks down into a couple of different categories. There's the obvious one, which is speed to market. So deploying, I guess, one integration into all of our customer experiences from Segment, and then plugging Segment into all of the back-end tools means that it's very quick for me to integrate or switch on a new tool that we want to have. Segment gives us real-time access to all of their data, which has been great. And then finally, I think if we look at what the actual tool Segment itself does with all of that data, suddenly means that actually from a data perspective, we're able to get a lot more richness almost immediately from the data that we're extracting out of Segment and then feeding into our own data warehouse. So multiple benefits really.
I think one of the big things for us is we work with Shaq and Green Flag as a strategic partner. He has a vision of 5 years and we fit into different pieces of that vision and we kind of grow along that maturity. And I think that's been the biggest strength for us, is being that sort of longer term strategic partner.
The way we see an implementation like Segment, especially being from the infrastructure side, is that it's not a tactical project that a company would embark. It's not a 1 year or a 2 year collaboration that you would have. You really need to understand the customer, understand what they're trying to achieve, and that's more of a 5 to even 10 year collaboration that you'll have with them. We are hugely excited by the opportunity to work with Green Flag on this project and to have a long-term partnership.